I have been dropshipping on eBay for the last like 6 years. So I'm gonna be showing you step by step on how you can dropship from AliExpress to eBay. And also without software, because a lot of people use software thinking, okay, they can like get more done, they can just make this very passive income with they don't have to do anything. But that's a huge lie, because these softwares are not designed to make you money, they are designed to make money out of you. Okay, that's exactly what I mean. So here I'm going to explain to you first what is dropshipping from AliExpress to eBay. So this is, for example, eBay, okay, and this is AliExpress, okay. So now when someone purchases the item from you on eBay, you go to AliExpress, and instead of putting your address, you put the address of the customer, and then AliExpress sends the product to the customer quickly without any problems. Now the shipping times are improved significantly, so you don't need to worry about it. And the best thing about this is you don't have to worry about logos in the package compared to Amazon. Like Amazon, when you start dropshipping from Amazon to eBay, Amazon always sends the items, the products with Amazon logo in the package, and that will make a lot of buyers angry at you. Some people, they don't want to support Amazon, so when they recognize that you are getting this, for example, you are buying the products from Amazon, that you will be angry and leave a negative review on your store. That's for sure. Especially if you are selling a lot of products per day, you will have customers like that. I have seen them and I know exactly what I'm talking about. So AliExpress is a very good option for you. Okay, so I'm going to show you now how you can start dropshipping the correct way. Now, like, first, some people, they told me in the comments, okay, if someone opened a dispute against me on eBay, what I should do. Like, if someone, like, for example, is not happy with the product and you are dropshipping from AliExpress, it's very simple. You don't really need to worry about things like this, because they are very simple. You don't need to know everything before getting started. Now if you want to know every single thing, that will prevent you from starting your dropshipping business. So just start, and after that you will learn everything. Just like this, for example, what I should do if someone opens a dispute against me on eBay and they are not happy with the product. Should I refund them? How can I get my money back? You can just go to AliExpress and then click on my account, click on orders, find the product, and do the exact same thing. Just open dispute 2 on AliExpress and then get your refund, and then send the refund to the buyer on eBay. And now you are not losing anything. Even if you lose, you only lost the profit that you already made from that specific buyer. So you only lose the profit, which is not actually considered it's not considered losing. Okay, so you might say, okay, how can I find winning products? Now, for example, if you search here for ranks, okay, or any products, now the goal is we want to find if this product on eBay is getting sales before we can start searching for it on AliExpress, if that makes sense. Another way is you want to go to AliExpress, find a random product like this, okay, and you want to copy the whole title, okay, and then search for it on eBay. Now the reason why you need to do this, we know that on AliExpress this seller has like 5,000 sold items, but this is not proven to work on eBay. We don't know if eBay customers are going to be interested in this product or not. So if we just randomly like list this product on our eBay, it's not going to get sales 100%. Okay, so you want to go to eBay, find the product, for example this ring, and it's getting as you can see, it has like 23 sales. And what we need to do is you want to click on history, and after that you will be able to see when this item was sold. Okay, so this one was sold more than 3 times in the last 30 days, which is exactly what we want. We want to focus on 3 sales in the last 30 days on eBay before we even consider listing this product on our eBay store. You may say why? Because like when the product has 3 sales in the last 30 days on eBay, that means this product is proven to work, and customers or people that feel like eBay customers are interested in this product. So you just need to search for it on AliExpress. Now you just need to go now to eBay, right click on the product image, and then click on search goods on AliExpress by image. Now you will be able to find the product quickly. You can just download this extension. If you don't know this extension, let me know in the comments, okay? By the way, I do offer full mentorship. If you want me to do this for you and grow your account, all you need to do is watch sales notifications, and I guarantee sales, okay? So you can just contact me for more information. This is my own Instagram account, by the way. Now, like I said, just need to download the extension, and then you will be able to find the product. Now I'm going to check here. I'm going to find the exact same product. As you can see, this is the exact same product. As you can see here, it's the same. Okay, this one is green, so I'm going to search for it. Yeah, this one has like this green color. Yeah, this is the product. Okay, so it's selling for $1 on it's actually less than $1, as you can see here. Yeah, it's actually less than $1, and this guy on eBay is selling it for around $7, $8. Okay, so you can also find it even cheaper. A lot of dropshippers, they just find a random product on eBay. They think, okay, $1, $4 shipping, I need to list this. No, you can just scroll down and you will be able to find even more like good prices or cheaper prices. For example, this one, I'm going to click on this one, and I'm going to search by the title, and then I'm going to click here, and as you can see, this one is even cheaper. The total price including the shipping is $4, so that will leave us with around $2 profit. I know it's not a lot, but if you sell 100 products just like this one every single day, that will make sense. Okay, so this is not like going to make you rich, of course, but you can always make good money with this dropshipping business. Okay, so for example, this product is the same. It has a lot of sales on AliExpress, but we don't care. We care about eBay, and we checked it and we found that 3 sales in the last month is there, so this product is qualified to list. Okay, so now we have a product. It's the same, all the sizes here, the 7 size, 8 size. Okay, so it's a good product, and what you need to do, you want to list it. Okay, so just click here on sell, and after that you want to click on create a listing, and then what you need to do is you want to copy this title that the seller has on eBay. You may say, why? Because we know that this on AliExpress, it has 250 reviews. That's around like 500 sold items. So this title is good on AliExpress only, not on eBay. So you don't need to copy this title and use it on your eBay listings. You want to use this title on eBay, like on the seller's product page here, which is this title, because it's proven to work and it's got 23 sales. Okay, so just copy this title and use it. Click on search, and then click on a new with packaging, because all items on AliExpress are new. And then you want to enter, you want to just upload the images. Now to upload the images, it's very, very simple. So just download this extension. It's called, let me just show you the name of it. It's called the AliSave Plus. Download AliExpress images. Now after you download the extensions, just click on the main images, and then you will be able to download them. As you can see here, the images are downloaded successfully. Just click on upload from computer, and then you will be able to find here the images, and then you just need to upload them here. Now after that, you want to enter here the ring size. You don't need to do that because we will add that later. Now here the brand, you want to go with unbranded always. Okay, and you want to enter here the description. If you don't have a description, you can just use the description from the seller's product page here, you can just use the same description, or you can click on use AI description to generate a description for you. Now here, all you need to do here, it says variations, you want to click on edit. Now because this ring is coming with seven different sizes, you just need to do just like that by clicking on variations, and here it says ring size. This ring size comes with 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then click on continue. Now we want to enter the same price for all the different sizes. For example, we are going to sell it for $7.99, and like you can also change the price for bigger sizes, like for example 12 size. I'm going to sell it for example for $8.99. Okay, then click on save and close, and then you just need to enter the item specifics, everything here. The item location, by the way, is China. Don't add here the item like if you live in United States, by default it's going to be United States, but you want to change it here in the preferences. Here, click on it, and then you want to change the country to China and the city to the capital of China, or whatever city, doesn't really matter. And after that you want to click on done, and after that you want to list the item. Now if someone buys this item from you, you just need to go to AliExpress and then find the item, click on buy now. Instead of putting your own address, you put the address of the customer, and then AliExpress seller sends the item directly to the customer. So that's exactly how it works. Very, very simple. It's not that hard at all. This is a very, very simple business. Like I said, I have my own Instagram here. You can contact me there if you want me to coach you, or like make this process very, very easier for you. Or I can also do this for you, like take the store from $0 to $10,000 a month. I can do it for you. Okay, so just contact me on Instagram, and yeah, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment. So yeah, drop a like, that would be highly appreciated, and see you guys in the next video.